Hi guys, today I'm making a quick vegetarian chili using marinara sauce as one of the secret ingredients. You're going to chop up your vegetables. This is 1 onion and I also have 1 green bell pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a saucepan and saute your onions and your peppers. Give it a stir. You want to saute your onions and peppers until the onions are translucent. While you're doing that, you can add some ground cumin and a teaspoon of chipotle chili powder, and then you can season with some salt and pepper as well. I always like to start out by sauteing my aromatics to cook out some of the moisture from the onions and peppers. It intensifies the flavor. It builds sweetness, which is really nice. I'm not one of those just dump everything in a pot. And I know a lot of people like to do that and it is simpler, but I think this very short step really helps with the flavor. Then you can add your marinara. This is a homemade marinara that we have a great recipe for on our website, but you can also use bottled marinara if you like. And 2 cups of water. We had a lot of fun working on this column. We were trying to think of all the great things that we could make using pre-made marinara. We have a delicious cheese that's roasted in the marinara, and we have this chili, and we have a shrimp dish. It's pretty cool. There's so many different things you can do besides pasta. This is 1 can of black beans that have been drained and rinsed, and 1 can of kidney beans drained and rinsed. That's it, you guys. All you need to do now is let this simmer. It should take about 25 minutes to cook down for all the flavors to meld together and to become something really special. When the chili is almost ready, you want to get your garnishes together. I have some avocado, sour cream, sliced chilies, and cilantro. Clearly, you can use whatever you like. Those are my personal faves for this, but you could put some tortilla chips on here if you wanted to. Slice up your avocado. I like to do it right in the shell, but a lot of people take the skin off. Just get that ready for scoopage, and it's time to eat. As you can see, it's really cooked down. It's much thicker. It's got some really fantastic texture, which is nice. And remember how easy that was to make? That's the greatest part about it, the simplicity of it. I mean, obviously, the deliciousness, too. Obviously. A little bit of avocado. Just a little, though. I'm trying to control myself, you guys. Not put the whole half of an avocado on there. Some sour cream. And then eat. Because that's what we've all been waiting for. And you know it's going to be good. Spicy. Hearty, delicious, a little bit of that cream in there to temper the spiciness. I think you guys are gonna love this one. You really should give it a try, and try our other marinara recipes in the March issue of Martha's Stewart Living. If you like recipes like this and you want more, make sure to click like and subscribe because we have plenty more where this came from.